So if you're looking to trade gold in this new week, make sure to watch this video to the end. Looking at the weekly charts, all right, we can clearly see that the previous week was very bullish. So in this new week, what we'll be looking for is we'll be waiting for price. Price should most likely retrace back down to the 50% area level of the previous week's candle, all right, which is around 2536 and through 2530. So from there, we can now get in on the buy and ride the move up. Now, let's go down to lower time frame to see how we can, enter the market and how we can capitalize on this move. Let's go to the daily. So looking at the daily again, the daily is also clearly bullish. I'm going to put on the lines very soon for you to see the different levels I marked, right? So let's go to the 4-hour charts. Just trying to take this fast so you guys understand what we're looking at here. So now, this is the 4-hour charts, right? And as we said, you can clearly see that it's very bullish. Now, first of all, you can see that we have a trend line here, right? This trend line here, we have two trend lines, but this is the first trend line we're looking at. So looking at this, like we said on the weekly charts, we are waiting for price. We're going to be waiting for price to come back down. Price to come back down to this area, which is the 50% level of the previous week's candle, right? So once price gets down to this area, that's where we're going to be looking for buys. And as you can see, this level happens to be a very strong support area because price tested here several times before it broke out from here. This was first the resistance area. Price tested here, tested this level the first time, the second time, the third time, the fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, the seventh time. It was the 8th time the price now broke this area. So what was once a resistance level has now become a support level. So it is, we believe that as price comes back down for a pullback, right, price is most likely going to respect this area, and then from here we can now look for a clean buy setup and take the move up. And as you can see, we have a trend line also in that same zone, in that same area. So the trend line aligns with that same support area. So this is where we're going to be looking for buys. Now let's go to the 1 hour. So the 1 hour is the same thing, right? So we'll be looking for buys. Like I said, in this same zone. So all we would need to do is to wait for price to push down. But rather than wait, we can also capitalize on the move down, right? We can capitalize on the move down. Once we see a clear setup or whatever, we take the sales down to this point. So we'll be able to capitalize on it. And then when price gets here, we're going to watch how price forms. And if it gives us a good entry signal for a buy, we're going to take the buys up also, right? So this is what we'll be looking for in this new week. We're looking for this kind of a setup. We'll be looking for how to capitalize on the move down, and we're also going to look for how to capitalize on the move up. So guys, it's as simple as that. If you like this content and you like what we put out, feel free to subscribe and make sure to turn on the notifications so you'd always be notified when we put up more videos like this. And also, we normally post some of our setups for everyone to see and learn. And feel free to also go watch our other videos on our shorts and all that. Thanks a lot, and have an amazing trading week. Peace out, guys.